going to be doing chili. So chili we're going to be doing is basically once everything's cooked, you can eat it. But I do recommend something, and I will tell you once we get started. So let me get everything we need. We'll come right back and we'll start making chili. All right? Don't go away. Hey guys, welcome back. So things that you will be needing for this. Cooking oil, vegetable oil, butter, or margarine in our case. You're going to be needing small kidneys. I prefer small kidneys. It's up to you. Red kidneys. You're going to be needing some tomato sauce, tomato paste, half an onion finely diced, a couple of cloves of garlic, ground beef, and chili seasoning. That's it. That's all you're going to need. We're going to be doing this. We're going to be browning the garlic and the onion in the skillet. We're going to get that done. Once it's done, we're going to transfer it over to the Instapot. We're not going to be cooking in the Instapot per se. We're going to be using the Instapot as a slow cooker, because what it's always, even though you can eat it right as it's been cooked, it's always better to leave it simmer for an hour or so, just to soften up the beans. Okay, so first things first, we're going to cut half of our onion, and we're going to dice it. So I like to do it really thin. Like I said, everybody has their own recipe for chili. Not saying that one's better than the other. I'm just saying that this one's, I find it's easier and less of a hassle. So let's start this up. Get our pan hot. We are going to add in our oil. And we are going to add in our butter. And the reason why, it's because we don't want the butter to burn or the oil to burn. So we add both. And it adds that flavor. Nice little buttery flavor to it. Just move around. Pan hot. After that, once we put this in, we're going to start on our garlic. Onions in. Once these are nice and translucent and a little bit caramelized, we are going to cook our ground beef. In the same skillet here. But this is just going to take a couple of minutes. Let that go. Now we take care of our garlic. We're going to add our garlic to the mix. So I'm going to be cooking the ground beef with the onions and garlic. So I'm going to throw that in right now. This, I'm getting carried away. I'm getting transferred to the future right now. Transferred? She was clapping her hands. Like, yay! See what I have to live with?
You love me.
I love you. After this is done, this is the labor-intensive part. That's it. After that, we open this, we dump it in, we give it a stir, and we let it sit in the Instapot / crock pot for about an hour, and then you eat. Step, turn this off. Next step, I'll be bringing over the Instapot, and we're going to be transferring all of this into the Instapot, plus with this stuff, and then we let simmer. So don't go away. I'll get everything and I'll be right back. Hey guys, all right. So next step, we are going to grab our beef. We're going to put it in our Instapot slash slow cooker, and I made sure I had the function on it. All right, put it in there. Now, next thing you're going to do is you're going to add your while you do all that, grab your red beans, your kidney beans, and strain them out. You have to get all the juice off. So, while these things are rinsing off, you will add your tomato sauce to the mix. You will add a can of tomato paste. Now, these beans are soft. They are like really mushy. Um, some are a little bit harder, but in this particular case, we are still going to heat this up all together. So put your beans in, stir this up. Fourth can, which is diced tomatoes, but in chili seasoning. So again, don't forget this. This is important. You got to, it still would be good with this, but you need the tomato chunks. You need like the salsa. So again, we're going to open this now. I know my can opener sounds really sick. Actually, no, not too bad.
Did you put it? Is that why?
I don't know. I think it's just because we started using it again. All right, so we add this, which is tomato chunks and chili seasoning. It adds a little bit extra. I mean, you can go just with the chili sauce or the chili seasoning in the pouch, but this one here adds that little heat that we normally don't add by yourself because it's already in there. That's in there. Again, see you in 2 hours. We are going to break it into pieces like this. And then we are going to dump it into our chili.
Don't flop.
All right, open this up. And we throw our bacon in there. Give this a nice stir. So, I'm going to prepare myself a bowl. And we are going to test it. All right, guys, so this is the taste test portion of the show. Now, you can put Monterey Jack cheese on it. You can put sour cream with green onions and all that kind of stuff. You can dress it up the way you want. You can even put crushed tortillas in it. In this particular case, I keep it simple. I have the chili and I put a bit of the queso cheese on top of it. Just going to give this a little mix. And I need a piece of bacon in there. Where is it? You can't go wrong with chili. Come on. I'd love to put it on a hot dog right now. But I don't have time. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to try stuff. Don't forget to try this. It's easy, cheap. You're going to love it. You can save it. So, again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button. Hit the notification button. And the what? My wife's being funny. See you next week.